Welcome to this beginner tutorial on how to use the PayPal app. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of setting up and using the PayPal app. Step by step. First, download and install the PayPal app from the App Store on your device. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up to create a new account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will need to link a payment method to your PayPal account. You can link a credit or debit card, or a bank account. To do this, tap on the settings icon and select Add Payment Method. Follow the prompts to enter your card or bank account information. Once you have linked a payment method, you can start using the PayPal app to make payments. To send money, tap on the Send Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Enter the amount you want to send and select the payment method you want to use. You can also use the PayPal app to receive money. To do this, tap on the Request Money tab and enter the sender's email address or phone number. You can also share your PayPal.me link with others to make it easy for them to send you money. In addition to sending and receiving money, the PayPal app also allows you to make online purchases and pay bills. To do this, tap on the Shop tab and browse through the available merchants. You can also use the PayPal app to pay bills such as utility bills and credit card bills. To keep your account secure, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also regularly review your account activity to ensure that there are no unauthorized transactions. In conclusion, using the PayPal app is easy and convenient. By following these steps, you can set up and start using the PayPal app to send and receive money, make online purchases, and pay bills. Remember to always keep your account secure by using a strong password and monitoring your account activity regularly.